So how much virtual capital can you trade with the funded trader? The scaling plan allows funded traders to grow their account sizes based on performance, giving them the opportunity to increase their potential payouts over time. Standard, Royal, and Knight accounts are reviewed every 3 months. If a trader has been in profit for at least 2 out of the last 3 months, with either an average return of 6% over the 3-month period or a 2% return each month during the 3-month period, then they become eligible for an account size increase equal to 25% of their original account balance. Account scaling happens automatically and will only be done and processed while awaiting a withdrawal, since the account balance must equal the starting balance when an account is scaled. Funded accounts with the Rapid Challenge are eligible for a scaling plan if the trader makes over 10% of the account's initial balance in one profit split. When the trader requests their payout, they will earn an additional 10% to their initial account balance if the withdrawal is greater than 10% of their initial account balance. Traders can continue to scale their accounts by making at least 10% on the account's initial balance and must make 2 withdrawals during the 3-month period. The funded trader allows the scaling plan to take the sum of the trader's account balance all the way up to $1.5 million. Additionally, we're excited to share that traders are eligible for 90% payouts once they qualify for the scaling plan. The scaling plan provides a fantastic opportunity for traders to increase their account size and potential profits based on their performance. If you have any questions and need further information, feel free to reach out. Happy trading!